first way to humanize AI content is, wait for it, instruct it how to write well. Now, if that sounds like me stating the obvious, it's because it is. The problem is that most people don't know how to write well, which is why they hire copywriters like me to do it for them. You see, most people were taught to write in a professional manner, using big words, long sentences, and dense paragraphs. And then OpenAI went and trained ChatGPT on that kind of writing, which is why its default setting kind of sucks. For example, let's open up ChatGPT here, and then we'll ask it to write a short article on copywriting. And there we go. As you can see, it churns out the usual ChatGPT bullshit. Copywriting is the craft of writing persuasive content that motivates readers to take action and blah blah blah. You're already asleep halfway through the first sentence. So, how do we instruct it to write well? One little neat trick here is to ask it to write in the active voice instead of the passive voice. Now you can see that it's getting slightly better, but it's still using ChatGPT-isms like in the digital age, which no one talks about. It's just called the present. So let's try another one. Keep the language at a 5th grade reading level. 5th grade reading level is good enough for Alex or Mosey, so it's good enough for me and you. Now we're getting somewhere. Copywriting means writing words that make people want to do something, like buy a toy, click a button, or sign up for a game. Now I know that I asked it to write at a 5th grade reading level, but I didn't ask it to write to a 5th grader. Still, it's a lot better than ChatGPT's standard output. You can also try to make it more concise by asking it to use short sentences of max 10 to 12 words. Now you can see it writes much punchier sentences than before. The only problem is it's formatted like some kind of LinkedIn broetry, which is a bit annoying. But as you can see, these simple instructions will get you some of the way.